Hey guys, welcome to question FM199 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, Matt borrows $15,000 to pimp his ride. Interest is charged on the unpaid balance quarterly. The $15,000 is to be repaid through quarterly repayments of $1,510 for 3 years. Question A says, determine the annual compounding rate of interest correct to 2 decimal places. So, in order to figure this out, we know that we're going to have a present value of positive 15,000 because that's how much Matt has borrowed. We're going to be solving for the interest rate. We know that he's making payments of $1,510, so negative because he is paying that. Our future value of this loan should be 0, and we've got quarterly payments per year and compounds per year. And we know that it goes for 3 years, so 3 times 4 is going to give us a number of payments at 12. Chucking this into Finance Solver, you should get a rounded answer of 12.14, and then leave whatever that exact answer is, the 12.139, whatever it is there, and because we'll be using it later on. So that to 2 decimal places, that answer should be 12.14%. Part B then says calculate the amount that the principal will have been reduced by after the second repayment is made correct to the nearest 10 cents. So in order to do this, we need to figure out, first of all, what the value of the loan is after 2 payments. So we're going to put in 2 payments, use our interest rate from before. You'll still have the exact value in there, hopefully. Our present value is still 15,000, that's where we're starting from. Payments are still 1,510, and we're going to be solving for the future value. Still quarterly, still quarterly. Chucking this into Finance Solver, we should get an answer of negative 12,858.22 when rounded. And what we're going to do, this is the value of the loan after 2 payments. So in order to figure out how much has been repaid by that point, we take this amount away from the 15,000 we owed originally. So whacking that into your calculator, you should get an answer of 2,141.78, which rounded to the nearest 10 cents is going to be equal to $2,141.80. Question C then says, at the end of the second year, Matt has some spare cash and decides to put an extra $2,000 towards paying off his loan. Assuming that he still takes the rest of the year to pay off his loan, what is the new quarterly repayment amount? Give your answer correct to the nearest dollar. Well, first we need to figure out how much Matt still owes at the end of 2 years. So we're going to put in 8 for our number of payments because 8 payments will pass between the start of his loan and 2 years later. We're still using that 12.14 from before. Our present value is going to be 15,000 once again. Payments, still 1,510 at this point. We're calculating the future value, and still quarterly, still quarterly. So the future value at this point, if we plug it into our calculator, it should be negative 5,608.25 when rounded, which of course means that we still owe $5,608.25 at this point here. Now, at this stage, Matt pays off $2,000 worth in one go. So 5,608.25, and we're minusing 2,000 from that, which should equal 3,608.25. So when we look at the final year's worth of payments, so first of all, we know there's going to be 4 payments, still at 12.14%. The present value, however, is going to be 3,608.25. Our payments are going to be negative 1,005. Sorry, no, they're not. We're going to be calculating for a new payment amount. That's what we're trying to find here. Our future value is going to be 0. Our payments per year is going to be 4, and compounds per year is going to be 4. So Matt owes $3,608.25 at this point in time, and we're looking for what his new payments are going to be. Plugging this into your Finance Solver, you should get an answer of negative $971.51, which when rounded to the nearest whole dollar should give you a final answer of $972. Guys, if you have any questions about these answers, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.